Hey Artland, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw the swimming dinosaur, the plesiosaur. Now, to start off with this, we're going to begin with the eye. So starting right up here, I'm just going to add a little line that just kind of curves up and down like this. And then I'm just going to add kind of like a little curved line in there. Next, right above it, I'm going to add a little line that just kind of goes up and down. And then starting right here, I'm just going to draw a little line that just kind of curves down. Next, starting here, I'm just going to make a little line. It's just going to kind of curve up and then down like this. And then right here, I'm going to make a little line that just kind of goes out for the bottom of the mouth. I'm going to kind of curve it down, then it's going to kind of come up, and then it's just going to kind of curve back around here for the jaw. Then starting right up here, I'm going to draw a little line, it's just going to kind of curve up for the head. And then these plesiosaurs are famous for their really long neck. So we're going to start right here, and I'm just going to make a line, it's just going to kind of curve out, and then it's just going to kind of slowly curve back. Now, right up here, I'm going to add just a couple little kind of quick curved lines here, just to kind of show where the head is kind of twisting. And then I'm going to add another line for this really long neck here. Next, starting here for the body, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of goes up, and then it's just going to kind of curve down like this. Then I'm going to make a long line that just kind of goes down, and then it's going to come to a point, and then it's going to curve back for the tail. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down and kind of in. And then we want to add their little flippers. So I'm going to start by drawing a line that's just going to kind of curve back like this. Then I'm going to kind of make it come to a point, add a little bit of ridges and some bumps on it, and then just kind of bring it back up. Then I'm going to draw another little curved line here. And then kind of the same thing, just draw a line that just kind of curves down, and then it's just going to be kind of wavy. Kind of comes back, connect this line here. Now, starting over here, I'm going to draw the other flipper. So I'm just going to draw it out, and then it's just going to kind of come back, add a little bit of detail on it, and then bring it back. And then we'll add that other little flipper right in here. Just kind of go down, and then just kind of add a little bit of texture on it. Now, right up here, we want to add some details. So I'm just going to add some sharp teeth into the mouth of this plesiosaur, and I'm going to do the same thing at the bottom here. And then I'm just going to add a little line that's just going to kind of come down here, just to kind of show where the other side of the mouth is. I'm going to add a little dot up here for the nose, so it's a little bit higher up. And then just for some few details, I'm going to add kind of like a little bit of like a broken line, kind of circle shape over here. Add kind of like a little line right around here, and a couple little extra lines kind of right around the mouth. I'm going to add just kind of like a nice long broken line kind of coming down here. And then I'm just going to add some kind of quick little kind of curved lines on here just for like a little bit of detail and some texture on here. And I'm just going to kind of switch them over to the other side here. Put a couple more in the middle too. I'm going to make a nice little broken line right here just to kind of show a little ridge along its back. Add a couple little kind of curved lines over here just to kind of show where it's kind of connected, and then I'm just going to add a few more of these little lines on here. Just kind of right around the top here, and then maybe just a couple little lines in here just to show some texture on the flippers. I'm going to add kind of like a broken curved line kind of coming along here and just some random spots just to kind of add some detail, make it kind of look a little bit rounder. And then maybe a couple little detail lines over here on the tail. A little line or two here, and I'm going to add a small little pupil in there. A couple little lines around the nose. And then maybe a few little lines kind of right around the neck and every up here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a plesiosaur. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.